Hi everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I have a whole Happy Mail from Pretty Little Studio, and this is the new Color Me Happy collection by Kat Martin, and I love her stuff. I was so excited when I found out that she was gonna make a line for Pretty Little Studio because her designs are so cute and so different from anything out there. I used her die cuts in December for my December daily in the year before this one because in 2018 because I haven't finished 2019, so you should check out her shop. And also I'm going to leave a link for the Pretty Little Studio shop below so you can check out this line. They also have a coupon code, I believe. I'm going to check and try to write it right here. Or you can subscribe to their emails, go to the Pretty Little Studio Facebook page. We also have a friends and fans forum and gallery. So I'm gonna get to work on showing you these. Actually, I'm gonna show you 3 things that are not from this collection because I actually have a rose die cut too. That's not from this collection, but it's really pretty. Then I have these sequins. They are from the XOXO collection. They are just so pretty. I've had this is my 3rd pack and I've used them all. Then I got these because this collection only has 1 set, which is really cute. You can see a pic here, but I also like to use this kind too. And I also wanted to show you, I forgot to link it in the last video, but it's what I use to organize my Pretty Little Studio collections. And they are these plastic envelopes and they are perfect. I always buy the 8x8 because I do Project Life, so it's better for me. I like it more. And then I can add all the die cuts, all the stickers, all the journaling cards. So I'm going to have this link below. So one is from Document Life and the other one is from Beautiful Day. They're both by Hello Heather. Her collections are also super cool. So now that that's out, I'm gonna start with die cuts. Actually, I looked through this real quick yesterday, so I'm gonna show you one more thing. This is the freebie for, I believe, March, either March or February. I think it's March, and it's rainbows, really cute. I love the freebies. Let me see if because I know there's another one around here, but I can't see it right now. Oh, here it is. And it's just a label. I love these for stamping the dates. You can also journal on them or layer them with something like really pretty in the middle, like a button or a bow. It will look really cute. And I think that's the last instruction. Okay, it seems like it. I don't promise anything. So let's start with the die cuts. I have this one is Over the Rainbow, and it has some frames and rainbows, of course, and clouds. This is so cute. And this could work for so many things. It's not incredibly girly, so you can use it for boys, you can use it for babies, for teenagers, for kids, for your photos. Stay True word die cuts. I love these. These are perfect for using as your title. They're pretty big too. I like this one, make your own rainbow. And I might use this for my Disney album. If I finish it in this decade. Okay, this one are Hear Me Roar. And I love these because you get to put like a little heart sticker and a little word sticker and layer them and maybe staple them. A little washi, and then you get the little creatures, the animals. They're so cute. I love these. We got Merry Go Round. And this one also has frames, and then it has little girls and unicorns and a dino. Oh, I got her collection. It's a Day's collection, and it's digital, so I might want to print it because I know they have dinosaurs and sodas and little animals. So cute. These are the die cut letters. They're Be Happy, and they are so cute. I wish I got two. I thought I did, but then I looked through it and I was like, no, you didn't, Johnny. Okay. So, I'm not a flare button person because I do Project Life, and it's really hard to use things that have like height to it or bulk. But I like these so much. I can use them on cards. My animal and my son are upside down. I got it honestly for these two. The others are really pretty too. This one's cute. But I may use it for a card or a layout, a rare layout. These are the Color Me Happy 2x2 swatch pack. These are just all the papers, but then very tiny. For those of you who like to do like Paige Evans style sewing and layering and even cutting little shapes using either punches or die cuts, this is perfect for that. And okay, let's do, okay, this is the 4x6 paper pack, and I love to use this for, of course, Project Life, but I can do like, I can turn this into a journaling card and type with my typewriter. I can turn it into a title card, add in the number week and all that. By the way, I am in the process of editing and printing, and oh my god, I was trying a new way to put borders in my photos, and it took me forever, not forever, but it took me hours to find out how to do it on my phone without having to use Photoshop or anything like that. Since I edit on my phone, it was the easiest thing to do. These are the Be Awesome journaling cards. I love the unicorn. These would be such fun title cards. These would be cool to journal, to type your journaling. And then you have your filler cards. Super cute. And this one has, this is the Be Cool pocket journaling cards. And they have 3x8 and they have 3x4. They're so cool. I love this one. And the cool thing is that you can cut this in two, and then you get two 3x4 cards. Or you can experiment and put this in two pockets, like put one on top of the other to like continue the pattern. It would be cool to do it, especially with something like this one. I love the cat. I love the little woodland creatures that are way too cool. Now we're going to do the stickers. I'm going to start with the office stickers. And I grab all the colors. I just love the font so much. Let me put this blue one on top because it's the one that pops them up the most. And I also love purple. We need more purple in the scrapbooking world. So thank you, because the few collections that I do have with purple are from Pretty Little Studio, and I appreciate the heck out of that. Oh, I got two vellum washi strips, and I would love for her to do like full rolls, but there's no one in the US that can do full rolls, and she has this everything that it's made here is made in the US. All of this is made by her, but her thing is that it has to be made in the US, and no one in the US makes rolls. But oh my god, can you imagine just the little clouds, and this one maybe, and this one, you know what, all of them. There's a reason I got two of those. So these are the words, Start Bright words, and I also wish I got two of these. this Noah's Ark kind of thing where you get 2 of each in case you run out. But I love the colors, and I love how she uses many colors in a few of them, and the white and the black and the colors, they're really cool. We got also the alphas, but in stickers, and they're a little bit smaller, and I love that. So cool. And then we got these Totally Cool stickers. That's their name, Totally Cool. And it's also like the word die cuts, but in stickers. We got Lucky Stars. And I love the black clouds. I don't know, it's like gives you the illusion that it's night, even though I know that's not how it works, but it looks really cool. I got these hearts. And I love these to layer. You can put a little word sticker with some washi. And these are Hear Me Roar. Again, little more animals. My daughter loves to draw, so I love this Color Me Happy crayon image. These are the cut parts. I have the labels and the flags. They're so cute. I am just crazy about that font. And this is the 8x8 paper pack. It has 16 patterns, so you can see right here. But I'm gonna open up so I can give you a quick peek. Okay. I love this. This is one of the first papers that I saw, and I was like, that better come in die cuts too, because it's too cute. I love this. And I love basic shapes, like this funfetti one. This is so cute too. This would be cool for a background. Tiny rainbows. Oh, I love this one. Also cool for a background and a layout. Oh, I love this one. I don't know why I love this so much. It's cool. Pixel Party, Unicorn Dreams. I love the unicorns. And this would be cool to use the lines to journal on top of them. And then I got extras because I have a few of those that are favorites, a few that are, a lot of them actually that are clears, and there are a few that don't come in the 8x8 pack. So let me get the clears out. I'm going to use the back. I love this, and I love to use these for traveler's notebooks to have like a little bit of bulk and layering, but in a way not really. You can layer them all together and it can create like really cool effects. I love this Neato pattern. This is really cool. I might recreate this kind of vibe in a traveler's notebook, or maybe in a layout. We'll see. Heart eyes, again funfetti, and the candy stripes. So those are the clears. And then I have a bunch of different ones. Word Jumble, Unicorn Dreams again, Tangerine Dream, Sweet Drops, Starlight Bright, Pop Blocks, Pixel Party, Neato, Llama Jam, llamas, Funky Fresh. I love this. This is so 90s. Connect the Dots. Also a cool idea for a background pattern. Candy Stripes. Be Happy. I know this one is not in the pack. So cool. You can cut them out and stack them. Starry Night. Another one of Starry Night. And Cute Critters. Of course, I needed two because I plan to use 1 circle inch punch and punch out the little creatures. So that is my haul, and I'm honestly trying to find a new normal so I can find one day in the week where I can create. It's really hard because my girls are here the whole day and they are using my craft room / office for homeschooling, so they're kind of invading my space, and it's hard to do your own thing when there are children in here. But I hope you guys are having a good time, as best as we can say, during this situation. Let's just look at the good things that we do have. And even though it's uncertain right now, hopefully things will get better. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out this awesome collection and support small business like Pretty Little Studio, and also new designers like Kat Martin. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.